In this video, we'll show you what to do if the right click option is not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So it doesn't matter if you are using a touchpad or a mouse, this method works for all of that. So what you need to do is first head to the search menu and then type in device manager. Now here you will need to select the first result that appears. Now in the device manager window, you will first need to expand this mice and other pointing devices. Now here select the entry that appears right here. So in most cases it will be HID compliant mouse or touchpad. Simply select that. Now here click on this X option at the top and then select uninstall to confirm. Now if you see multiple entries like me, you will need to repeat this step for each of them. So simply select that and select uninstall. Once you have done this, head to this start menu. Click on the power icon and then select restart or update or restart. Simply select that and your issue should be resolved. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is head to the search menu and then type in task manager. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the task manager window, you'll need to go to this processes tab right here. Now here you will need to type Explorer. So I'll just type that. Now here you will see this Windows Explorer entry. Simply select that and then click on this restart task option. Once you do this, your issue should be resolved. However, if the right click menu is still not working, head to the search menu and then type in view advanced system settings. So select this. Now here you will need to click on this settings option under performance. Now here you will need to make sure that you have selected this animate controls and element inside Windows. So simply select this checkbox and then hit apply and then OK. Once you have done this, the right click menu should work as expected. However, if nothing else works, head to the search menu one last time, type in terminal, right click on the terminal entry and then select run as administrator. Now in the terminal window, you will need to type in a command, so that is sfc space / scan now and then hit enter. Now simply wait for the scan to complete. After the scan is complete, restart your Windows laptop or PC one last time and the issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.